Sending an email through Gmail is a simple process that begins by opening the Gmail app or website. Once logged into your Google account, locate and click on the Compose button, which is usually found in the top left corner of your inbox. This action opens a new email window where you can enter the details of your message. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. If you want to send the email to multiple people, you can separate the addresses with commas. If you're replying to an email, the recipient's email address will automatically populate this field. Below the recipient's email, you can add a subject for your email to give the recipient an idea of what the message is about. Next, in the main body section, type your message. You can format the text using options like bold, italics, or bullet points, which are available in the toolbar above the text box. If you need to attach files, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the email window to select and upload documents, photos, or other files. When you're ready, click the Send button. The email will be sent to the recipient, and you'll receive a confirmation in your sent folder.